So next, I'd like to take a chance to explain 4 benefits of our BCoE, and maybe I'd ask you to think about how this could inspire you for maybe that idea that you had. I've always wondered if this could be useful for 3D printing for your application. So as I go through these 4 examples, please keep that in mind. So one goal is Himed wants to reduce the risk and remove barriers to 3D printing. For someone who's less familiar with this technology, 3D printing can be expensive. So this will allow you to outsource the 3D printing to someone who's an expert in the field. So imagine you have an idea for a new startup company, but you need to carry out your proof of concept in order to get that initial funding, that initial investment. That's something that we can help you with.